How can I start playing traditional Irish instruments without intimidation? Imagine sitting in a cozy pub in Ireland, hearing lively tunes and feeling the urge to join in. But you might think, I am not good enough or I don't know where to start. Don't worry. Starting with traditional Irish instruments can be simple and fun. First, pick an easy instrument like the tin whistle. It is small, inexpensive, and easy to learn. You can find a good beginner whistle for around 10 to 20 euros. Play simple notes and practice basic tunes like jigs or reels. The Bodhran, a frame drum, is another great choice. It is played with a small stick called a tipper and is perfect for keeping rhythm. You can buy a decent Bodhran for about 50 to 70 euros. Practice basic rhythms and listen to Irish music to get a feel for the beat. The Concertina is a small accordion-like instrument that offers melodic options. It costs around 100 to 200 euros for a beginner model. Start by learning simple scales and tunes. Watching online tutorials can make learning easier. Many Irish music shops in Ireland sell authentic instruments. In Dublin, you can visit shops like O'Neill's or McNeila Instruments to find quality beginner instruments. Join local music sessions or workshops if you can. These gatherings are welcoming and allow you to observe and try playing along at your own pace. Remember, patience is key. Practice regularly, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day. Focus on enjoying the music rather than perfecting every note. Listening to recordings of Irish traditional music helps you understand the style and ornamentation. Traveling in Ireland offers a wonderful chance to see live performances and meet musicians who can give you tips. If you want to buy an instrument, ask shop staff for advice on the best beginner models. They can also help you choose the right size and price. Starting with simple instruments, learning basic tunes, and immersing yourself in Irish music culture makes the journey enjoyable. You don't need to be an expert to have fun and connect with Irish arts. Just take that first step, and soon you'll be playing and sharing in the lively spirit of Irish music.